Best crypto to buy now January 16, Klaytn, Blur, Sei, Invol equals Trent Allen SRC equals https://simg. co/authors/882/responsive images/screenshot 2023 116 at 7:47:22 p.m. Media library original 300 JPG class equals imfluid img circle loading equals auto Trent Allen. Last updated January 16, 2024 2:15 EST 10 min read. img width equals 1280 height equals 720 src equals https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,428,631 img full size nm3 JPEG class equals attachment post thumbnail size post thumbnail WP post image alt equals best crypto to buy now January 16 Klaytn Blur Sei decoding equals async src set equals https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,428,631 img full size nm3 JPEG 1280 https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,428,631 img full size nm3300x169 JPEG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,428,631 img full size nm3 1924x576 JPEG 1924 WA https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,428,631 img full size nm3 768x432 JPEG 768 WA https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,428,631 img full size nm3 150x84 JPEG 150 sizes equals max width 1208x100 WA 1208x/cryptocurrency prices for KLAY, Blur, and SEI are trending upward amid bullish developments that make them strong prospects for the best crypto to buy now. Image by Cryptonews.com. The KLAY price is surging amid Klaytn's proposed merger with Finschia and network updates, thrusting Klaytn into the spotlight as a strong candidate for the best crypto to buy now. In parallel, Blur market performance has been resilient, with a notable increase in both price and trading volume for the past few days. Sei Network's trading activity has also seen a marked rise, contributing to its positive price trajectory. Adding to the mix, Bitcoin Minetrix and Sponge Vitwo token are crypto presales that are drawing interest for their potential in the cryptocurrency market. Best crypto to buy now in the news. Klaytn Foundation's proposition of merging with Finschia Foundation signals a strategic move towards creating a dominant Web3 ecosystem in Asia, capable of supporting a large number of decentralized applications. This merger is set to enhance interoperability and attract developers from the Ethereum and Cosmos communities. The anticipated launch of a new integrated token as part of this merger, provisionally named PDT, has already made headlines with the decision to burn a substantial portion of its supply. The comprehensive strategy includes bolstering infrastructure for institutional investors, introducing a native stablecoin, and fostering growth for AI-based applications. While Klaytn's resilience following the recent Orbit bridge hack and its competitive transaction speeds have contributed, the 66% increase in its price so far today to 2,187 cents is also driven by the excitement and potential of the proposed merger. Also diverging from the broader crypto market trend, Blur has impressively rallied against the grain, registering a 25% surge so far today even after its latest token unlock event. The token has seen its price rise 74% over the last week as part of a broader bullish trend. This increase has been boosted by a notable uptick in trading volume, allowing the token to solidify its position in the cryptocurrency market with its sizable $855 million market capitalization. Sei Network rounds out the trio with standout market gains. Its emphasis on fast trading speeds has captured reputable investor interest, inducing a surge in trading volumes. Though SEI's price has been trading sideways for the past couple of days, the overall trend indicates a positive growth trajectory, with the network preparing for an update that could establish it as a leader in blockchain speed. While established cryptocurrencies make moves, ongoing crypto presales like Bitcoin Minetrix and Sponge Vito token can give investors the chance to be early adopters of fresh Bitcoin alternatives. With standout price gains for Klaytn, Blur, and Sei Network, the crypto market continues to reveal valuable early investment prospects as the cryptocurrency market navigates through 2024. Keeping up with developments, from major mergers to anticipated network upgrades, will be key to pinpointing the best crypto to buy now. Bullish momentum builds for KLAY price amidst Finschia merger buzz. The KLAY price has seen a dramatic surge today following the announcement of its upcoming merger with Finschia. After range-bound trading between 1,537 cents to 2,077 cents over the past week, the KLAY price has surged higher and set an intraday high of 2,645 cents earlier today. However, the KLAY price has since pulled back and is currently trading at 2,187 cents, still up a notable 13.66% so far today. The key technical indicators show that the KLAY price appears set for further upside despite the minor retracement seen so far. The 20-day EMA currently stands at 2,051 cents, while the 50-day EMA is at 2,075 cents, with the KLAY price consolidating above both these levels. Given the bullish price action today, these EMAs could likely act as dynamic support zones for the KLAY price over the next few days. The RSI is currently at 53.98, up notably from yesterday's 44.57. This uptick indicates growing bullish momentum, especially as the RSI reading is coming out of oversold territory. The MACD histogram has also turned positive at 0.0011, a bullish crossover from yesterday's 0.12 reading. This MACD crossover often precedes strong upside moves. In terms of key resistance levels, the KLAY price is attempting to break past the immediate resistance zone between 2,202 cents to 2,301 cents. This zone is in confluence with the Fib 0.618 level at 2,230 cents. A decisive break past this barrier could open the doors for a retest of the intraday high at 2,645 cents. Further overhead resistance lies between 2,517 cents to 2,582 cents. On the flip side, immediate support is seen at 1,882 cents to 1,940 cents. This zone aligns with the Fib 0.236 level at 1,883 cents. With the bullish sentiment today, the 20-day and 50-day EMAs at 2,051 cents and 2,075 cents could act as dynamic support zones for the KLAY price over the coming days. With bullish momentum accelerating, the KLAY price looks to break past the immediate resistance barrier and retest its intraday high. The technical landscape remains skewed to the upside for KLAY amidst today's merger news catalyzed Blur path of least resistance. Bulls remain in charge. The Blur price has seen impressive gains over the past week, surging 52.74% higher. Blur currently trades at 6,989 cents, up a sizable 13.25% so far today as it attempts to clear the key 70 cents level for the first time since May 2023. With momentum accelerating, Blur appears set to extend its uptrend in the sessions ahead. Examining the moving averages, the Blur price trades well above its 20-day EMA of 5,430 cents and its 50-day EMA of 4,969 cents. The bullish positioning of the faster 20-day EMA above the slower 50-day EMA points to an encouraging technical picture. As long as Blur holds above the 20-day EMA, its uptrend remains intact. The RSI for Blur stands at 70.56, up from yesterday's 63.89 reading. This shows rapidly expanding upside momentum as Blur recovers from oversold levels below 30 seen earlier this month. While the RSI is approaching overbought territory above 70, previous upside moves have seen the indicator push toward 80 before correcting. This suggests the potential for additional near-term gains. The moving average convergence divergence MACD histogram reads 0.0191, up from yesterday's 0.0124 level. The growing positive histogram indicates accelerating bullish momentum behind the Blur price. This upward trajectory for the indicator supports the case for further advances, with Blur consolidating its gains above 6,989 cents. An initial resistance is seen between 7,123 cents to 7,469 cents. A decisive push-up of this zone would expose the psychological $1 mark. On the downside, immediate support lies between 5,327 cents to 5,651 cents, which aligns with the 20-day EMA at 5,430 cents. As long as Blur holds above these levels, the path of least resistance remains to the upside. A break below support would put its uptrend at risk. With Blur punching through resistance and technicals aligned bullishly, the price appears geared for additional gains. Key levels to watch include resistance around $0, $70, 75, and support at $0, $53, 57. As long as Blur trades constructively above its 20-day EMA, the uptrend remains healthy and dips can be viewed as buying opportunities. Sei Network's SEI price prediction is the bullish momentum set to continue. After posting an all-time high of 8,828 cents on January 3, Sei Network SEI has pulled back over the past few days, potentially forming a symmetrical triangle consolidation pattern. With the SEI price showing signs of a breakout yesterday, traders are analyzing whether this signals a resumption of the uptrend or a bull trap. The SEI price surged to an intraday high of 8,652 cents earlier today, stopping just shy of its all-time high. However, the cryptocurrency has pulled back from those highs, trading around 7,711 cents, which is 3.97% lower so far today. Looking at key technical indicators, the 20-day EMA for the SEI price stands at 6,644 cents, while the 50-day EMA sits at 5,059 cents. With the faster-moving average above the slower one, this hints at an overall bullish trend. However, the 100-day EMA remains considerably lower at 3,729 cents, which highlights the recent acceleration higher. The RSI jumped to 65.53 at yesterday's high but has pulled back to 62.35 today. This shows some waning upward momentum but remains well above the neutral level of 50, still indicating overall bullish momentum. The MACD histogram has ticked slightly lower to 0.69 from 0.71 previously, but it remains in negative territory, showing scope for more upside. In terms of potential support and resistance levels, SEI faces initial resistance at its recent all-time high of 8,828 cents. Beyond that, further upside barriers come in around the extended fib 0.236 and 0.382 of 9,369 cents and $1.214, which aligns with psychological resistance at $1. On the downside, SEI has built a support zone between 6,300 cents and 6,755 cents. This aligns with the fib 0.236 level of 6,639 cents and the 20-day EMA at 6,644 cents. Overall, while the SEI price is pulling back from its recent breakout, key technical factors remain constructive. As long as SEI holds above the 6,300 cents support zone, the path of least resistance appears higher. A decisive break above 8,828 cents resistance would confirm the uptrend resumption and open the door for a test of the $1 level. With KLAY, Blur, and SEI showing bullish momentum, the crypto market continues to expand with new projects like Bitcoin Minetrix and Sponge VTO token launching presales. Getting exposure to both established and developing crypto investments allows for a balanced portfolio. Exploring Bitcoin alternatives, new cryptocurrencies in 2024. Cryptocurrency investors are expanding their focus beyond just Bitcoin to explore a wider range of crypto projects with enticing growth potential. Two cryptocurrencies that have gained increasing attention as compelling Bitcoin alternatives are Bitcoin Minetrix and Sponge VTO token. Evaluating the sustained path of these cryptocurrencies assists with diversifying into profitable, pioneering crypto domains. This diversification beyond Bitcoin comes at an opportune time, as fresh crypto ventures like Bitcoin Minetrix and Sponge VTO token make their arrival on the scene. Getting in early on these new investment opportunities allows for potential gains before the market takes notice. Spreading investments across both established cryptos like Bitcoin and upstart alternatives allows investors to balance stability and growth. While Bitcoin remains crucial, expanding into developing crypto projects grants exposure to the rising trajectories that may define the future of the space. Bitcoin Minetrix shines with its pioneering Bitcoin mining solution. Is it the best crypto to buy now? Bitcoin Minetrix, a cryptocurrency initiative centered around a unique Bitcoin mining protocol, has attracted over $8.6 million in presale investments so far for its ongoing BTC-MTX token presale. The presale's popularity stems from Bitcoin Minetrix's unique stake-to-mine system that allows holders of BTC-MTX, its native token, to stake their coins in exchange for Bitcoin mining power. This removes the high-cost barriers normally associated with crypto mining, enabling more people to participate. Staking also incentivizes holding BTC-MTX long-term, as staking yields are currently set at up to 75% APY as of writing. However, yields will progressively decrease as more tokens enter circulation through the ongoing presale. Bitcoin Minetrix arrives ahead of Bitcoin's next halving in April, which will reduce the block rewards paid out to miners. As Bitcoin becomes scarcer, mining could become more profitable. This makes Bitcoin Minetrix's accessible mining model timely, especially amid projections that the crypto mining sector will further expand in the coming years. The confluence of Bitcoin's halving and the growth outlook for crypto mining has fueled speculation that Bitcoin Minetrix could see a price surge once its token listing begins on exchanges. As one of the most talked about new crypto projects, Bitcoin Minetrix makes a compelling case for being the best crypto to buy now, especially given mining's potential in the year ahead. Following SpongeVone's success, SpongeVitwo stands out as the best crypto to buy now. The meme coin frenzy has returned, and developers are leveraging the hype with the launch of SpongeVitwo, the next iteration of the popular Sponge token. The original SpongeVone generated sizable profits for early backers when its price rapidly surged upward back in May 2023. Now, the team behind that successful first version is spearheading SpongeVitwo, utilizing a pioneering stake-to-bridge model for its presale. Instead of a standard initial coin offering, the only current access to SpongeVitwo tokens is through staking SpongeVone. Investors will essentially bridge their Vone tokens, locking them forever, to earn staking rewards paid out in Vitwo tokens over 4 years. This early access method incentivizes long-term holding and rewards existing SpongeVone holders for their continued support. Having already proven itself in the niche meme coin space by securing over 12,430 Vone holders so far, the Sponge project also has relationships with major exchanges like Gate, EO, and MEXC. The team now intends to build on the momentum of Vone by expanding features like its play-to-earn gaming integration. With hype returning and its unique staking model, SpongeVitwo is one of the best cryptos to buy now for investors looking to get in early on what may become the next big meme coin surge through its limited time presale.